this initiative and how he is planning to take this initiative ahead in Salem district of Tamil Nadu.
A very good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, Mr. Vinay, Partner, Learning Links Foundation, Mr. Anshuman, officials of Learning Links and Vodafone, my colleagues from CSE, dear friends and other guests. Honorable Vice Chancellor has clearly explained the financial literacy benefits of this ban or this program, which will be going around in Salem districts from today. I would also highlight few of the digital benefits, digital literacy benefit associated with this program. Today, the ability to use computers is a significant basic competency for most jobs in this 21st century. Lack of these basic skills leaves rural youth unemployable even if opportunities in the globalized economy increase in coming days. So through this PMG Disha van, we attempt to reach the grassroots level where digital education and financial literacy is not otherwise reachable. We aim to reach those who have very limited access to internet or any other computer-based learning. We are sure that this van or mobile-based digital learning initiative will improve e-learning in rural Tamil Nadu. And as Honorable Vice Chancellor has requested, we will extend that to all colleges also in the coming days. CSE Academy is assuring you that we will extend this program to all the colleges in the coming days. And I would like to highlight some of the unique features of this program. This ICT supported learning equipped van literally brings education to the students' doorstep in rural areas. This van engages participants in various age groups to make the education enjoyable. The traditional learning is mixed with activities like educational games and stimulations. This van carries application-oriented education, which includes financial literacy that improves the employability of all the students in rural Tamil Nadu. Let us remember, age or social standing shouldn't limit an increased understanding of digital media. Not all students today have access to broadband, electronic device, or computers at home. So initiative like this, which the Honorable Vice Chancellor is going to launch today, play a large part in helping students who don't have the same electronic devices like internet or computers at home. So introducing digital tools, applications, and internet platform to our students helps us to close the digital divide that hinders achievement in our society today. So to conclude, digital literacy is everything to students today, and for harnessing new ways of interacting and learning, we are going to launch this PMG Disha van, through which we will be taking learning everywhere to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vinod. Hope to see positive result and change under your guidance, sir. Thank you so much. We have got a clear